In today's quick tutorial, I want us to understand a very quick and easy practice routine that will ensure that you get a fundamental change in your piano playing and in your piano progress. And without wasting time, let us start straight away. But don't forget to subscribe so that you always get notified whenever I upload a new video. Our first practice routine exercise number 1 are the pentatonic scales. The scales of 5 notes. Pent meaning 5. Before you do anything as a piano beginner, make sure you practice the pentatonic scales. Both hands together, hands separated first, then hands together later. Not forgetting using a metronome for uniformity. What you should ensure here, you should ensure that the fingers don't fly off the keyboard, and you should ensure that they don't collapse in, but instead you use the tips. The tips remain firm, and the palm is in a curve form. It's like it's holding something or an orange. Don't forget you have to start slow because speed comes with practicing slowly. Our next exercise on this practice routine, we have the scales, the normal scales. We already know that from C, from the lowest to the upper C, it makes up an octave, and that's the C major scale. We only play the white keys. But if you don't get familiar with these, you can check out the video about scales. It is in the description and it is on this channel. You have to practice the scales, both hands together and hands separately. You have to start slow, then speed comes with time. Don't forget the thumb tucks, whereby you come, make the thumb tuck. And another important issue is that don't forget to play the scales in a 4x4 time signature. That is, you have to play them in this while counting like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 in that format, not 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. That's very bad. And our next exercise on this practice routine, now we have the octave scales, whereby you get the lower C and the upper C when you play those, and then you play the C major scale going upwards and then backwards. Same with the left hand. Exactly, hands separately, then hands together. And in another exercise in our practice routine, we have the arpeggios. These ones we also went through them, and now on this very channel you can check out that video if you are not yet familiar with them. Left hand, then the right hand, then hands together. You can make it more fun to avoid boredom. You can play it in a scale format, up and down. You go up the scale and then down the scale, or you can play it in you can practice it using the chord progressions. These ones. Instead, then we have in that format. Just to recap our practice routine, we have had the scales, the pentatonic scale, which is in this format, and we have had the octave scales, and we have also had these kind of scales, and also the arpeggios. This practice routine combines all the major techniques that you will need in your piano journey. And if at all you practice them each and every day, it will become easier for you to play each and every song you would like to play. And also mastering your pieces, they'll become more easier since you will have mastered the techniques before.